with the deck lid. I haven't touched this in a while, but so far it's looking good. I'm gonna start working this next week. Just basically trying to clean up my garage a little bit, but so far it's pretty straight. I don't know if you can see it that way. Just gotta work on this lower section down here and these little humps right here. But so far it looks good. I haven't forgotten about this project. I got a couple things going on, just jumping around, and I'll get back to that.